With Cordis Fractal Intelligence technology, you can now run your business on autopilot mode. Running your business manually or through disintegrated softwares cause lots of wastage of money and resources. Major disadvantages include manual process triggers. Manual requests of products and services leads to untracked transactions and poor business control, resulting in low-capacity utilization of employees and low profitability. Human-driven business processes depend completely on employees' memory and leads to poor delivery. Physical movement of information, requests, and decisions leads to obstacles in each department, slows down the business process. Departments become centers of prejudiced decisions and bad practices. Manual communications through meeting, discussions, mails, calls, and documents with internal and external stakeholders remain largely overshadowed by human emotional nature, leading to improper work culture. Fragmented systems make the whole business sluggish and full of human misses and unethical behaviors. Ad hoc and manual decision-making do not contribute to data processing, and further makes it impossible to measure key performance indices of employees and processes, resulting in incomplete tracking of events, meeting notes, documents. If some risks happen during the process, either no escalation or late escalation happens, resulting in loss of business intelligence, providing no room for future planning and improvements. In short, a total confusion and chaos results, and business faces a firefighting situation continuously. Cordis proposes a fractal intelligence system, PushCord, that runs every business context like on autopilot mode. Cordis Systems empowers the business by giving control to the product and service customers via multiple channels. The new intelligent system auto-decides multiple courses of actions for each product and service request, and follows it through till it is delivered with the best quality. The FI system automatically decides the next business rules to be triggered when a task completes. The system knows each task and thus continuously calculates KPIs on each task and processes as per company management policy, and highlights KPIs that are not achieved immediately. If needed, the system escalates it to defined compliance channels on right time for proper handling of the business risk. Automated messages, emails, documents creation, and calls streamline the business processes and reduces the workload of employees. The system ensures all the communications get recorded automatically on the right business context for future audit processes. The system reports the process deviation as per defined policy on time to ensure 100% business compliance on policies. There are no misses and errors anymore. With Cordis FI, you are in complete control of your business. Even if business volume gets 10 times or 100 times, Cordis FI automation ensures high productivity and superior performance. When inefficiencies arising out of manual triggers and processes is removed, resources utilization gets optimized, and company costs go down and business savings go up. And it only takes a fractional part of achieved savings to get automated with Cordis FI. You can inquire with Cordis today to get control and drive new growth in your business.